bag of haylage. Out of feed on the feed pad.
Told Michael yesterday this was kind of fun.
Mixing crew is hard at it. We got the other bag ready to go after we finish this one out. We'll slap that one on and hopefully knock it out by tonight. A little dew this morning, so the corn's a little wetter starting out, but it's hard to sit and wait when you have to knock out a bunch of acres. Second bag of the day. I think this is bag number 4. Yeah, it's 4.
Grandpa Joe and John Adam had your lunches over at the wagon tractor. Tom and Hank, I'm gonna come find you.
Well, we switched farms. There's a few more weeds at this farm, but corn's still pretty good. Get her knocked out. Hopefully get that bag full. Dan and Kurt are gonna milk, so I'm gonna keep hauling. We give Dan the option to haul or milk. He always chooses milk. We got 7 haulers going, 3 carts and 4 wagons. The other carts are being used on another job by Jason, so that's what we're rolling with. It's about a minute wait tops at the bagger. And honestly, right when we get to the chopper, we're usually about in line getting filled, so it's about perfect. For going this distance, we're probably, what, 2.5 miles away. Got that strip done, and those over there. We got a few up there and one up by the road yet. Hard to show everything when we're so busy like this, but I'm trying my best. It's also hard to show other people in this channel, period, because, well, we're working on a lot of the time. So we're probably a third of the way done here. It's just about chore time. We're gonna lose Dan, but John's coming back. Adam's bagging, Josh is in that cart, Mike's behind me, Travis is behind him, then it's Dan, then it's Grandpa Joe, and then it's Little Joe, and then me. Another bagging clip, never sure how much of this to show, but it's pretty monotonous between unloading at the bagger, being on the road, and being at the chopper. It's been a couple hours, but we're still kicking along. Not much has changed. Still chopping, still unloading into the bagger, still on the road. Sun's still shining a little bit. Sky's still blue. Can't see it too well, but the chopper's up there. We are about 10 to 12 loads from filling this bag finally. I think it's like 9:30 right now, so pretty good day in today, and hopefully we get another good day in tomorrow. Finish that 5th bag, and then we'll take a little break for a week or two, and then finish the 6th one in a heifer bag probably. Window got dirty from opening up fields earlier, but here we are at the chopper. Probably like the 30th time today. 89 loads in this bag, 107 for the day, I think, probably. This is my last one. We are signing off for the night. Just for one more.